Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to close your Honda CR-V front hood. First, always make sure that there are no tools, rags, or any other items left inside the engine compartment. This is a crucial safety step to prevent damage. Next, carefully take the hood prop rod and secure it back into its designated clip. This ensures it won't interfere with the closing mechanism. Then, gently bring the hood down until it's about 1 foot to 1.5 feet above the car's body. Now, as you prepare to close the hood, remove your hands completely from its surface. This prevents any accidental pinching as the hood comes down. Let the hood drop freely from a height of about 12 to 18 inches. The natural weight of the hood is designed to help it engage the primary latch. You should hear a distinct click as the first latch catches, indicating it's partially secured. After the initial click, you'll need to fully secure the hood. Place both of your hands firmly on the front edge of the hood, distributing your weight evenly. Then, apply a firm, downward push. You should hear a second, more definitive click, which confirms that the secondary safety latch has engaged. This ensures the hood is completely locked into place and won't accidentally open while driving. To confirm your Honda CR-V hood is properly closed, gently try to lift it from the front edge. If it's secured, it should not move upwards at all. Also, visually inspect the gap between the hood and the front fenders. It should be consistent and flush with the surrounding body panels. A properly closed hood will sit evenly, providing a smooth and safe appearance for your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.